Hi, I'm Tony DiTerlizzi, author and illustrator of the Wandla trilogy, and I'm super excited to share with you guys the third and final cover for the trilogy for the book, The Battle for Wandla. The process for creating the artwork for the jacket is not unlike the process that I use for the interior art for the Wandla trilogy. It starts out traditional, and as I progress through the steps, it becomes more and more digital, more and more 21st century. I imagined what I thought the scene could look like or should look like, and I began sketching it with pencils and paper, really simple tools. I go through a lot of permutations of this. I try out different poses for the character could be taking. I try out different backgrounds. Sometimes I cut one character out and place it in a different background just to see how it'll look. And once I arrive at a design or a look that I think is going to be the sketch for the jacket, I then move to the next step, which is gathering reference. As great as my imagination is, it's even better when I arm it with amazing visual reference. So in the case of this jacket, we used a friend to model and pose as Eva 9, and then I gathered reference for the landscape, for the architecture, and for the lighting. I was actually able to share the entire process on social media, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. This was unbelievable because I was able to get this feedback and response right away from my fans and readers, and ultimately they were able to help steer the direction of the final image. Hopefully this jacket will convey all the emotions and feelings and mood of this book. It'll convey the action, the adventure, peril, danger, and hope of the conclusion to the Wandla trilogy, The Battle for Wandla.